Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can earn from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, and it can perform a wide range of tasks, from answering questions to generating text. It has become a popular tool for businesses and individuals who want to automate certain tasks or generate content. So, how can you earn from ChatGPT? There are several ways. Offer ChatGPT-based services to businesses and individuals. You can use ChatGPT to automate tasks, generate content, and offer other services to businesses and individuals. For example, you could offer chatbot services, content writing services, or customer service. This involves using ChatGPT to perform specific tasks for clients, such as creating chatbots, generating content, or answering customer queries. To get started, you'll need to have a good understanding of ChatGPT and its capabilities. You can then identify potential clients and offer your services to them. To make the process more efficient, you could develop a chatbot that uses ChatGPT to handle customer inquiries. This way, you can offer 24/7 customer support and improve customer satisfaction. You could also use ChatGPT to generate blog articles, product descriptions, or other types of content for clients. Create and sell ChatGPT-based products. Another way to earn from ChatGPT is to create products that use this technology. For example, you could develop a chatbot for a specific industry, such as healthcare or e-commerce. This chatbot could help businesses automate certain tasks, like booking appointments or answering customer questions. You could also develop a content generator that uses ChatGPT to create articles, blog posts, or product descriptions. This product could be sold to businesses and individuals who need high-quality content but don't have the time or resources to create it themselves. Offer training and support for ChatGPT. As more and more businesses and individuals adopt ChatGPT, there is a growing demand for experts who can help with the training and support of this technology. If you have experience with ChatGPT and a deep understanding of how it works, you could offer training and support services to clients. This could involve providing on-site training to help clients get up and running with ChatGPT, or offering remote support to help them troubleshoot any issues. You could also develop training materials, such as tutorials and e-books, and sell them to businesses and individuals who want to learn more about ChatGPT. So, these are the three main ways you can earn from ChatGPT. Whether you're offering services, creating products, or providing training and support, there is a growing demand for this technology, and the potential for earnings is substantial. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.